This is a quick follow-up to this video about dynamic resolution, and here I would like to clarify this a little bit better. So here this shows us the dynamic resolution capability. So 15 volt equals 0 dB. It means that this is our baseline. It doesn't mean that at 15 volts your equipment, let's say a small portable digital amp, class D amp, it doesn't mean it has 0 dB capacity at that level. It means that whatever dynamic capacity a 15 volt device has, that is our baseline, because the dB scale, that's a relative scale, it's a reference scale. So we are using whatever the 15 volt device has as our baseline. So if it can provide us let's say an 80 dB dynamic range, that is our baseline. So in comparison, let's stick to 80 dB. If we double the voltage, it becomes 86, and then it becomes 106, and so on. Why I did not put there 80 dB? Because it's not always 80 dB. So 15 volt device, its dynamic resolution can be bigger or smaller or larger, depending on the execution, like how good quality parts you use, what is the topology, and so on. So this scale applies to having a similar device and upscaling or downscaling the voltage. So I hope this helps a little bit. And so this means that when we are increasing the high voltage that supplies our device, then we are getting higher and higher dynamic resolution. This also translates to detail level. We get higher detail level as well, but all depends on the execution of the amplifier. So this was just this tiny little video. I hope it helps to clarify matters a bit. Thank you for tuning in. Bye bye.